Hey, how's it going? And today I just want to do a super quick video on the curious unstoppability of the prop mover. So what I have in the scene is I have a prop mover over here, if I can select it, and you'll see I have this chair parented to it, and then I have a wall over here. Now what's interesting to me about this is that the wall, if we go to the collision presets here, is set to block all. The prop mover itself, it has a static mesh component and it is set to block all, or set it to block all. And the Art Deco chair, it's also set to no collision, and the static mesh is set to block all. So everything is basically set to block all. Now, but watch what happens. Even though everything is set to block all, so watch what the chair does. Even though everything is set to block all, goes right through the wall. Even though everything is set to block all. Interesting, right? Now, why is that? Well, the nearest I can tell is that the prop mover has this setting on here that says on prop collision behavior. It's on continue. If I put it on stop, go save, it'll stop then. So the prop mover seems to override all the other, whatever other settings that you have. So I wonder if the same is true if you were to attach a prop to a player character, that the player character, now watch what happens. It's not going to go through the wall. Look. Boop. It stops right there. So I wonder, like, if you, I haven't tested it, but I wonder if you attach a prop to a character, then whatever settings are on the character are going to kind of override everything else, and then the prop takes on that. I don't know. It's if what happens if we set it on reverse. So we have it set to stop, put it on reverse, and see what happens. It should go in reverse, right? So it doesn't matter what the collision presets are, is what I'm saying. So let's watch this one. This is set to reverse. So let's see if it reverses. I know in Unreal Engine when you set the collision presets, that usually stops things from happening. But Fortnite's its own little thing. Let's see if it reverses. Yep, it does. So there you go. The prop mover overrides collision presets. So anyway, take care, have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.